And here we are. Where are we, you might ask? We are where I found a big tractor tire in the woods. I brought a tape measure. Let's see how big it is, and then we're going to try to flip it. There's a bunch of dirt in it too. From this tread to this tread, it's 54 inches. It's at about 54 inches, if you can. Damn it. There you go, 54. Right. All right, let's see if we can flip this thing. Go. Ready? And go. Oh. Wow, that took a lot of energy. Let's flip it towards the camera one more time. This is the end with a bunch of dirt in it, so it's going to be heavier. There you go. It's not that heavy. Plus, there's a hole in one of it, so it's not that thick. I'd say it's probably around 300 or 400 pounds. All right, ready? Here we go. Yeah. This brings up a very good point. Littering is bad. Unless you're trying to exercise, then sometimes it can be a good thing. But generally, littering is bad. And leaving giant tires out in the wood, even worse. Please don't do that. Except for, I'm glad this one's here, but generally this is not a good thing. But, all right, we're gonna flip it up the hill now. Excuse the view. And one more for good luck. Here we go.
Yeah.